Big parts, tiny scrap, and an even bigger announcement. Today, we're microscrapping. We're going to be microscrapping this master cylinder from a Ford motorhome and this voltage regulator from the H1 Hummer. And later on, I will tell you about the announcement. But first of all, let's get into the master cylinder. Got my scale here, 3 pounds, 8 ounces. Is this shred or is it a leaky mess? Yuck. So to get this clean, what we're gonna have to do is remove this cylinder because that's all steel. The outside casing's aluminum. Easiest way to do that is with snap ring pliers and a screwdriver. So I like to, because I'm old and shaky, I like to get my snap ring pliers into the holes. Then I take my screwdriver, whoops, see I'm old and shaky, squeeze, that comes out like that. That pulls out, that's a piece of prepared. Next thing I do, there's a inner piston inside. And how to get rid of that, all I do is I take it to the back of the vise, and out she comes. And there's another piece of prepared. Here I have some kind of a fitting. They're usually steel, and this one is. So to get clean aluminum, you're gonna have to take that off. 7/8 wrench, unscrews, and there is another piece of prepared. Or you may want to keep it. I'm not going to keep it. I don't care. So we want to remove this tank. And I find the easiest way, because that's just held in with a grommet, friction fit, pull it off. That goes straight in the trash. There you go. There's a clean piece of aluminum. They are messy. So now, I'm gonna find, okay, we'll just put a rag on. There we go. So we got 1.28 pounds of prepared steel, and we got 1.63 pounds of cast aluminum. And that really took about 4 minutes, maybe 5. Now we have the big announcement. NiceJunk.ca is now carrying merch. So you could get this shirt, right there. So we got a couple shirt designs, some more coming. We've got sticker packs. Many of you have asked, how can we support the channel besides just watching? And now just go to the NiceJunk website, pick up a shirt, pick up a sticker pack. It all helps finance this tomfoolery I do. And for the next 2 weeks, we have 15% off with NiceJunk 15 coupon code. That's right, at checkout, just put NiceJunk 15 into the coupon code box, you'll get 15% off. Next, we've got this voltage regulator from an H1 Hummer. And if you didn't see that video, I actually tore apart an alternator out of that thing. It was massive, it was the biggest one I ever built, so make sure to check out that video. Anyways, we're gonna turn the scale on. 3 pounds, 5 ounces. And the fun part is, it's potted resin. That's gonna come out easy. It isn't, not sure if that potted resin's gonna keep these from coming out, but we'll soon find out. I see there's a wire here. That might be holding me up. Another one over here. Nice. Get rid of that. Okay, so there we go. Got a little spool of copper, some offsets, big IC chip. That's about it. She's low grade at best. We're just going to keep on smashing this thing. A little piece of aluminum with circuit board on there. There's some dirty aluminum. Why do I do this to myself? Feel free to bleep bloop in the comments why I do this to myself. Remind me. After all that, took about 45 minutes to dig all that resin out. The best I can get is dirty aluminum at 1 pound, 4.6 ounces. A beautiful low-grade circuit board. There's a little spool of copper there. That's 2.5 ounces. We got 1.2 ounces of cast aluminum, probably die cast. These things here, you would think they would be brass, but no, they're steel. And that's at 0.5 an ounce. And then we got old sheet aluminum at 0.4 of an ounce. And then this connector end, looks like gold, probably fake gold. And that's 10 ounces. Then we got all this beautiful aluminum wire, and that is 10.7 ounces. The big winner was the Ford Master Cylinder. Took 4 minutes to scrap. That wasn't bad. This thing here, who knows? That's not worth doing at all, no. And I imagine that's big money. I'm going to look it up for you guys, and I'll put the price right here, what it is new. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I certainly did. I enjoyed having you guys around. I really appreciate you. And if you want to support the channel, best way, go buy a t-shirt or some stickers or something off the NiceJunk.ca. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And now let's have nice junk.